Good morning. Now I present one of my new inventions named Cumulative Renewable Energy Project. This is for the making of enormous cheapest and safest electricity from sea waves, wind and solar in a single plant on seashore. Here, sea waves are utilized for swing mode, turbine propeller and chamber floats. Now you see the animated visual of imaginary plant of 6-in-1 cumulative power plant for the future. Two strong windmill pillars 20 meters apart are required to be erected on seashore near the wave starting place. For the swing mode operation, a wave blocking board of 18 meters width and 3 meters height is attached to a shaft. Either ends of the shaft with the turbine are fixed on the pillars at 10 meters height just above the non-wave water level. By the lateral force of waves, the blocking board swings and the turbine shaft rotates on both directions. Thus electricity produced. Above this shaft, a large solar roof is arranged in between two pillars and also in between two plants. At next, the turbine propeller is attached in between two plants with 20 meters interdistance so that to rotate after the very fall of waves. Importantly, two hollow chamber floats, one on the forward and the other on the rear of every plant and also between every two plants. By the continuous seawater fluctuations beyond the waves, the forward float will receive possible up and down movements always, and this is related to power production. The rear float will go back and forward by the flow of waves, and these movements are related to turbine. All the above measurements are subject to change and requirement. Other salient features: availability of unstoppable waves, wind and sunlight all the time. Economical and easy to install, operate, maintenance, and also to safeguard during emergency. Prevention of seashore erosion as well as unlawful activities the seashore side. Laboratory prototype of the project without float chambers. This is the laboratory prototype of the product without float chambers.